Two illustrations, right? The FTC, administrative law is the combination of functions and bureaucracies and agencies, the brute fact, which horrifies separation of power traditionalists. Yeah, it seemed like the Supreme Court justices had something to say about this, right? I don't necessarily agree with it. They said the Winthrop versus Larkin, institutional risk, yet upheld the combination of agency functions, essentially on the ground that the administrative state could not go on otherwise. We need to have this abuse of power, otherwise we wouldn't exist. Yeah, case involved a due process claim. Surprise, surprise. And specifically that a tribunal combining prosecutorial and adjudicative functions must be a biased tribunal forbidden by due process. Surely the complaining party said that there's an intolerable risk of biased decision making when the same decision maker who lodges the charges is also the one who decides, at least in the first instance, whether those charges are correct. Yes. It's kind of like, let's say, okay, an example. Okay, an example. Let's say you're a judge. Yeah, Judge Brent Based, and petitioner doesn't petition the court. Petitioner doesn't appear in court. Yes. You don't give actual due process to the respondent because you act like you attempted service when you didn't. Yes. So there's nobody there except for the forgery of the ex officio superior court clerk that is not the actual employee of the court. The only individual that was making any of the judicial decisions, yes, I'm 80% sure, is not the actual judge themselves. It's like somebody took over the judicial system of the United States without a petitioner, yes, without a respondent, yes, without the actual ex officio superior court clerk, and quite possibly without the court commissioner being there, considering the possibility of the forgery of the commissioner's signatures. Now, wouldn't that be something if we just could not afford, yes, to protect the judicial system of the United States?